Hi everyone, it's me, Rotar Kadaa, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I wanna ride to Taking with my friends to explore one of any favorite spots in the city of Surigao City. This is a really unique and vibrant area that I think you're going to love. I show you the shots of city place capturing the overall atmosphere and energy of the location of Boulevard. Surigao City, officially the city of Surigao, which is Surigao North, is a first class of component city and capital of the province of Surigao del Norte, which is the Caraga region on the northeastern island of Mindanao, the Philippines. Surigao Boulevard transforms into a night market as well where you can buy food, clothes, and some souvenirs too. I'm hungry, so I already to eat in Carinderia of Crispy King with my friends. While eating chicken, rice, and also drink a Mountain Dew, have a long storytelling talk about in my individual experiences and also in my family. I show you the faces of my friends who was very happy that sharing more circumstances. So next I explore in public market of Surigao or tinatawag natin Changi. I see the things that I will encounter like fruits and vegetables. Some people have a business to sell them. Also people buying vegetables, meat, and fruits that already cooked. So that's all everyone of my vlog spot and exploring in Boulevard area.